This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Xbox Cloud Gaming. First, ensure you have a strong internet connection, ideally 20 megabits per second or faster, to prevent frustrating lag. You can use almost any device, from a smartphone to a smart TV, and connecting a dedicated controller will greatly enhance your game. This foundational setup provides the very best starting point for a smooth and enjoyable gaming session. Once you have your device ready, open a web browser and go to xbox.com/play or use the official Xbox app. You will need to sign in with your existing Microsoft account, and if you don't have one, it's easy to create a new account for free. Remember, a paid Xbox subscription is not required to play Fortnite through cloud gaming, making it very accessible. After successfully signing into your Microsoft account, look for the Fortnite game tile displayed prominently on the main screen. Simply click or tap on it to start the game, and you might experience a brief loading period as the connection establishes. All your game progress, items, and settings are securely tied to your Epic Games account, ensuring a seamless experience across all platforms you might play on. To truly optimize your gameplay, always connect your device to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable for maximum stability. Keep your controller charged and near your device to avoid any input lag or disconnection issues during crucial moments. Investing in good headphones will allow you to hear important sound cues, giving you a competitive edge and improving team communication for a truly immersive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.